I've been thinking a lot about why so many farms are collapsing lately. It feels like something deeper than just economics.
Yeah, it's like the soul of farming itself is fading. People treat it as a business now, not as a calling.
Exactly. Farming used to be about gratitude, working with the land because you were born to do it, not because it's profitable.
But today, people plant crops to make quick money. When the goal shifts from nurturing to earning, nature stops cooperating.
Right. That's the paradox. When greed drives the hands that touch the soil resists. It's not about effort, it's about intention.
I like that. It reminds me of old farmers who planted cabbage just because the season called for it, not because prices were high. They never worried, and somehow their crops thrived.
While the ones chasing profit ended up losing everything. Nature has a strange justice, doesn't it?
It really does. Farming, in a way, is like a dialogue with the sky. If your heart is greedy, the sky goes silent.
That's beautiful. My grandfather used to say, a farmer doesn't need math, he needs wisdom.
Wisdom, not calculation. That's what's missing. Farmers once felt the weather in their bones. Now they rely on market forecasts.
And when the forecast is wrong, they blame the world instead of looking inward.
Exactly. The moment we start blaming others, governments, companies, even nature, we lose control of our own destiny.
It's a bigger moral issue too. When people raise cattle or plant crops purely for money, they lose the humanity in their work.
True. It's like turning a sacred act into a transaction. And once that happens, compassion disappears.
That's why the old farmers, even when poor, had dignity. They gave their children education not with wealth, but with integrity.
Yes, they didn't sell their land to fund ambition. They worked it, and in return, the heavens helped them.
Now many sell the land and wonder why luck leaves them. You can't trade your roots and expect to stay grounded.
Well said. It's almost like nature only supports those who live honestly with it.
So maybe the real cure for rural collapse isn't subsidy, it's spirit. Rediscovering why we farm in the first place.
I agree. The earth doesn't respond to greed. It responds to sincerity.
Then maybe the question for all of us is simple. Are we farming for money or for meaning?
And if we choose meaning, maybe the harvest will take care of itself.